Grand Rising, True Frequency 963 here. I thought I'd show you guys how I make my morning salt and fiber water detox. And I'm going to do that right now. I gave myself a period of 4 days not using it so that I could reset when I started to use it again. Just to see how my body will function without it, and it is functioning well. It's I can feel it slowing down though. I can feel it functioning on the reserves of what I had done, and that I'd soon be in some trouble if I just left it. So I'm back at it, and I'm going to show you guys how I make it. So I have ready the water, 16 ounces or more of chia seeds, the glass for the chia seeds, the lemon, Celtic salt, and this is the other glass for the salt and lemon. So I'm gonna warm up this water and show you more in a minute. This lemon juice, getting this lemon juice. Okay, this is about 16 ounces. I'm gonna pour it in here. And then I pour the rest in this cup. And for the chia seeds. So that's about 24 ounces that I warm up. Yeah, and I'm gonna add the salt. This is about a half a teaspoon of Celtic salt. I'm gonna add that to the lemon water. This is the brand that I use. And then I mix that up. I'm gonna get my honey out so I can add it to the salt water. Right, and then that will like expand, those seeds will expand in that water. I'll show you how it looks in a minute. This is my Thai bro concoction of honey that I mentioned with the Buddha palm and orange and ginger. I'm gonna add some to this smaller jar again. I like to keep some on hand. I'm gonna add some here and then add it to my lemon water. Waiting for me. You see how this is getting gelatinous? Chia seeds are getting gelatinous. They're expanding. Show from side. They were not as risen as before. They get a little slimy, and fill up the glass. You see that? They're expanded. Yeah. That soaks up, that moisturizes the colon. Any old matter gets it soft in there. So I sealed up my jar, the new one, the one that I refilled. I filled it up. And now I'm going to just take a little from this jar to put inside my cup. So I add the honey and maybe a couple of sprigs of the ginger and Buddha palm, right? And then mix that with the salt, right? So this is the salt water with the lemon and the honey, and then that's the fiber. And that's what I drink. That's what I'm gonna be having, getting back on a routine. This, I can best describe it as tangy, as well as a little spicy with the ginger and a little sweet. I don't know, it's a real nice combo. But here I go. I'm ready to consume. cheers to my gut health and to yours. All right. Deuces. Check y'all later.